awaken and sleep the all freedom that she knows. And when you walk into her eyes, she won't believe the way she's always paying for a debt she never owes, and the silent whistle blows. And only she can hear, and so she goes. Let her cry, for she's a lady. Let her dream, or she's a child. Let the rain fall down upon her. She's a Vietnam flower growing wild. Let her cry, for she's a lady. Let her dream, for she's a child. Let the rain fall down upon her. She's a angel flower growing wild. She's a flower growing wild. She's a flower growing wild. She's a flower growing wild. Thank you very much. Palakpak lang po ang kulang. Walang bayad po yung palakpak. Ang mga tinatamad pumalakpak, may amoy sa kilikili. Anyway, we'd like to greet you all. If you're Pangasinense of your guests, welcome down here at Salveo Seafoods and Restaurant. We are the replay band on stage. And we'd like to greet you a happy Dagupan Day, of course. And to our friends at the Riverside. And palakpakan muna natin si Ma'am Alice na nanggaling pa sa Baguio at sa mga nursing taga-UC. Ibang beauty ng Ibaloy, ng mga ng mga Igorot. Hindi, may kinakanta akong Igorot Eyes. Alam niyo yung Igorot Eyes? Blues Man is Zion. Yun ang Igorot Eyes. Alright? And requested songs, sa bagay, kumakain pa naman sila. Anyway, this is a tribute to the great King of Soul who just passed away last year. I'm talking about James Brown, the King of Soul. Ang gwapo noon. Nakita niyo yung Ma'am Alice? Anyway, this is a song from James Brown. Okay. I feel good. You know that I would do. I feel good. You know that I would do. So good. So good. I got you. Perfect. Yuck! Napipil niya? Mic lang ito, in-imagine mo. Hindi ako nang mababae na ngayon, lang nalalaki na ako. Gaga. I'm real nice! Sugar and spice. I feel nice. Sugar and spice. So nice. So nice. I got you. Come on. He's Abo. Woo! Sexy dancer. Now hold you. dalawang bokalista kong babae. Suspendido pa nga ako eh. Pinakanta nyo lang ako rito, tapos ayaw pang... Wala kang sweldo. Ha? Ay, hindi ko kailangan yun. Kahit kailangan ko man, pero pilitin ko na satisfied na ako ng 20 pesos, 50 pesos kasi hindi na ako ng bababae eh. Nang nalalaki na lang ako. Oh. Halika. Ayaw niya ipakita yung katawan niyo, ha? Bakit? Hindi ba flawless yan?
Sabi ko sa'yo na sweldo ko eh.
Wow, kasi may papa ka. May papa na rin ako. Sige! Kita mo! Oo. Ha? Baka makuryente ka. Yung mga nursing taga-UC, hindi nyo ba alam to? Ibaloy na rin ito. Sa Baguio to nakatira. Bumaba yan dito. Nagdadiarrhea kunyari. Hindi good term yun. Hindi naman yung sinasabi ko na talagang presko. Okay. So I'm sorry for that. So bumaba ka lang dito kasi masama daw ang feel niya pero ngayon okay na. Kasi ang sahod dito